Summer is here, and that means kids have lots of time on their hands. Boredom can set in fast, and vacations and camps can be expensive. Here are 3 ways you can create some memorable moments close to home without breaking the bank. Nurture your family's sleuthing skills by organizing a scavenger hunt. Make a list of things everyone should find, break up into teams, and start exploring. DoD-MWR libraries offer special summer reading programs and also have performances, movie screenings, crafts, and more. Pack a meal, bring a blanket, and spend a leisurely day enjoying the great outdoors with your family. There are lots of fun games and activities you can play to make it a special day for the kids. You don't have to have a big budget to have some big family fun. For more information, visit our website.